Tired of searching for your perfect home, only to settle on someone else's vision? With Pulte, you can create one that's entirely your own. From the moment you begin, every detail is designed around you. Select the home site that fits your lifestyle, whether that's tucked beside community amenities, a corner lot with added privacy, or featuring the extra space you've always wanted for entertaining. Curate a home that reflects your style, from timeless exterior elevations and beautiful colors to thoughtfully designed floor plans tailored to your lifestyle. Step into the Pulte Design Studio, an inspiring space where your vision comes to life. Explore elevated finishes, designer upgrades, and carefully crafted details, including cabinetry, countertops, tile, lighting, flooring, and more. Every selection, every finish, every space, personalized for the way you live. In as little as 4 to 6 months, you could be moving into a home designed around you from the very beginning. Don't settle for someone else's dream home. Build yours with Pulte. Visit Pulte.com.